to Saurav's classes. My name is Ashmita, and in today's class we are going to discuss about the LSAT India examination, which is going to be held quite soon. Now, what all updates are there about this examination? We are going to discuss all those in today's class. So, this year's examination, that is the Law School Admission Council, that is LSAC, we can say, has rescheduled the LSAT India 2022 May session exams. That was basically scheduled from the 9th of May 2022. The exam will now be conducted in the month of June, that is on the 22nd of June, and the last day to submit the applications has also been extended to June 8th. Previously, the last date was around April 25th, but now it has been extended to June 8th this year, 2022. So, post the closure of the application form, candidates will also be given to reschedule the test starting from June 9th. You need to know that this examination is being conducted in online remote-proctored mode. See, the January session results have already been declared on the 1st of February, and the results have been released in the form of scorecards that contain information like your score band, then scale score and percentile. June session examination results will be declared in the same process only. So that's why I just told you about the January session results, how it was declared. Now the January session is already over, so the June session is left for this year. This examination normally takes place twice a year, and there are around 85 colleges which will accept this examination's scores. You would be given 2 hours and 20 minutes to complete the entire question paper. After giving the LSAT examination, you would be allowed to take part in various courses. Now here I'm going to discuss about certain courses and in a little bit detailed manner so that you can understand or you can decide which course you want to pursue. Now there is a 5-year integrated LLB course, and for that the eligibility criteria is candidates should have cleared their class 12 or any equivalent examination which is like similar to class 12. There's another course which is 3-year LLB course, and candidates holding a bachelor's degree in any stream from any recognized university or college can go and take up this course. There's the LLM course also, and candidates holding a degree in law, that is LLB degree from any recognized university or college, can go over and pursue LLM. As I told you, the examination would be held in remotely proctored online mode, and the exam duration would be 2 hours and 20 minutes. The language in which the examination would be given to you, the question paper would be given to you, would be in English only, and the type of questions that you are required to answer would be objective type questions. There would be 4 sections based on 3 subjects, and total there would be 92 MCQs. On a scale of around 420 to 480 score band and percentile, you would be marked. Now let me talk about the different sections which you need to answer and how much time there would be allotted to each section. So starting with the analytical reasoning section, you are to answer 23 questions, and the time allotted to this section would be 35 minutes. The next section would be based on logical reasoning. Now this is the part 1 section of logical reasoning, and here you are required to answer 22 questions. Once again, you are required to spend only 35 minutes in this section. Coming on to the next section, that is the logical reasoning part 2 section. Here you are expected to answer 23 questions, and once again you are being given 35 minutes. There would be another section that would be based on reading comprehension, and you are required to answer 24 questions in 35 minutes. So you see, as you can see through the discussion that all the 4 sections, for each section you need to spend mostly 35 minutes, not more than that, not less than that. That's the estimated time that you need to spend. Now, if I calculate all of them, total number of questions is coming to 92. So, you are required to answer 92 questions in total for this examination. And I have already told you the total time, that is 2 hours and 20 minutes you need to spend for the entire examination. Candidates can spend the maximum time, that is 35 minutes. However, the candidates would definitely be able to utilize the remaining time to attempt the unanswered questions after they have completed the test for all the other 3 sections. There is a good news for all the candidates that there is no negative marking as such till now for the wrong questions. That is, no marks would be deducted if candidates have marked incorrect option on the OMR sheets. So that was the basic discussion for the latest updates for this examination that is going to be held soon. So if you are by chance interested in the crash course, because the examination is going to happen soon, so you don't have so much of time to go through the entire revision portions. So if you want help, if you need to clear all your doubts, if you need to practice the previous year's question papers and you are not being able to do it yourself, you can join our classes. We are going to provide you with a 24/7 recorded lectures portal access, which you can check at any time and as many times as you want. You can also get the live class facilities. There are scholarship facilities, there are mock tests, worksheets after every sessions. Then here you can also get the crash course facilities. We are going to solve the previous year's question papers. We are going to provide you last minute suggestions, and we're also going to solve sample question papers. So if you are interested in our classes, you can definitely join for the crash course facilities specially. And let me tell you, if you want to join, you can call us at the number which is provided in the description box below. Do call us, or you can also visit the official website that is provided in the description box, that is www.saurabhsisclasses.com. There you will get the enrollment form. You can fill it up and join our classes, or you can call us if you have any kind of queries in your mind. So that's it for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.